High-tech enterprise backed by Shandong Academy of Sciences. Capital, 12.97 meters RMB $1.79 million. Strong strength for long-term global cooperation. We develop water sensors, analyzers, and marine buoys. OEM and customized integrated monitoring solutions. Rich national research achievements. 30-plus papers, 10-plus patents, 12 software copyrights. Awarded scientific progress honors. Advanced fluorescence water quality detection. 24/7 unattended buoy monitoring. Covers dew, cod, turbidity, algae, oil, and more parameters. 4 grams remote transmission, stable in tough marine environments. Serving global aquaculture and environmental monitoring. Professional customized water monitoring services. LuminSens, guarding global water ecology.